I've got a son here living in Melbourne and a younger daughter. My other daughter lives in New York. And my younger daughter married, I suppose you can call him a Yiddishist, who's been very involved in Yiddish since he was a young child. His father was a teacher in the Yiddish schools here. So from the minute the children were born, he came to me and said, you have to speak Yiddish to them. And that was their first language till they went to kindergarten. I remember my daughter always saying that the kids speak like they just came off the boat when they started speaking English. You know, they translated exactly from the Yiddish, so it was the other way around. It was very funny to hear them. And they still speak Yiddish at home. I'm quite happy about that. After all, they're bilingual now. You know, their English is just as good as their Yiddish. So, but they read and they write. They learn with the father every day. They have to read a little bit. It gives them a background. I mean, both of the older one, Yoni and Hillel, both received the prize for Yiddish. So, no, it's first of all, it's another language, which is always good. You know, they get a background of what was.